found in so few homes. Napi nga tata, kitay timatigoan talagaan waderagsak na in the homes. Maybe because there is a missing ingredient. What they have it missing? Mataltalak ang ingredients. Kas lang ay hindi yan ingredients di tapoy.
Noon ti labadora na.
May labadora na ano. So, sa bali tiraman na. So, there is a missing ingredient. So, you will not taste like it will not taste like a tapoy. Iso nga, natigon tao, di Apo Diyos kit nang in-design na ti family around himself. May kahit nga sa windiay. No, tigon to, adadya pa natin Ilocano ngay nga, di asidig ti kusina, kit isuti umuna nga mauringan. Amo yun eh? So nagigyan ka yung kusina, pima, nagputi ka, mauringan ka. Because you are near the kitchen. Ni Apo Diyos, in-design na ti family nga to live around Him. So no, asidig ka kay na Apo Diyos, kahit mauringan ka, meaning to say, maka-adult ka, ibagbaga na. Yeah. You will learn, and you will love Him because you are around Him. Now, if you are far away from Him, as like adayo ka dyan kusina, then awanti, hanggang nga mauringan. Yeah. So, no, dito ko ang pamilya, ken, when we left out, adaywan tayo na Apo Diyos, then that is the vital thing that is missing. Nape, hindi hapit na. Ano iti bagbaga na? Adati duwa nga commandments na kadito. Love your God with all your might, with all your strength, and love your neighbor as you love yourself. So love manin niya, yeah. So if that love is missing, ay pamhod to kinapo Diyos is missing, we cannot love our neighbors. Because loving no ayaten tayo na Apo Diyos, unodon to hay ibagbaga na, yeah. No ayaten nila kayo mo, unodon man namin, yeah. Si bagana. Because you love Him. Uray no kanayon nga maputong. Because you love Him, iso nga unodon. Okay? That is also true with kanya Apo Diyos. If we do not love Him, and we are far away from Him, adito dongdongron, or dumadngol, hindi ibagbaga na, then, ano nga di aton to? Paiturong tayo ng Diyos bagita yun. Okay? So, when a family is united around Him, dito ako kit united, ang namin, di dan munimbali, anak na, is united around kay Apo Diyos, then, ay power ni Apo Diyos that it will also become theirs. Yeah. Okay? Now, as lagi bagat tatay, the love that begins with the Father is translated into our lives. So, unodon to gamin ni Apo Diyos, kahit ma-translate, itibiyag tao. Unodon to, ayatin tayo so na, we follow His commandments, then when we obey, then ma-transform tao. Yeah? That is, only then can we begin to really love. And we can overcome the problems of daily living. No iti pagtalikan tayo lang kiti bagbagi tayo, then it is very hard for us to overcome our daily living. Okay? Now, masapol nga rod mga ipamilya taukit is founded on spiritual foundation. Okay? Apay, masapol nga tigon po natin our family should be founded in spiritual foundation because when we are founded with the Word of God, ay taguan to, we are satisfied with what we have. Our life is simple. Yeah. Kanong hindi wada in that Apo Diyos pitit ako, we are thankful and we are satisfied. Ngayon no, we are not satisfied, then kas na nga ti ugali tayo kay wadang idea ko nandang we envy our neighbor when our neighbor have waday kanon dan mapod kumapaw kami hanumnum mo ket adi mapod you become selfish, you lust the material things. Iso nga, inay mangidat di problema di biyan. But if you are satisfied, oray no tako di problema, problema tao no maminsan hindi kanon tao bigat na. Yeah. But if we entrust our lives to God, niya po na nga already build the birds, they do not, di damon habang, may mga nakanunda.
Yes.
Okay? Adi, may ibagang adi ang habal, wino adi ang munguno. But munguno tao na ta, but our trust is not on material things, but hindi yan itutudon ako Diyos. Okay? So, is Psalms 127 verse 1. Panana, unless the Lord builds a house, the work of the builder is wasted. Happy to may hilbin di binlen ng mga ipo di bale, ion bukon ni Apo Diyos di bumundang hi pudana. Why? Napita mahapon ni Apo Diyos. Because even how much you build your house, if you are focused on material things, selfishness, ay pamhod mo lang hibagin, may silbi na hindi yan. Ta, mapukaw na diyan. But if you follow what God is telling us, then hindi yan binlem. At ininat mo, waday patience mo, waday generosity mo, waday pamhod mo, ya di ma-waste, hinae. Hinae tigon na po Diyos, no? Pumarang at parang tayo to kanya na. And if what we have focused are material things, iso na ti rason nga makiapa ka kinibakit mo, minlakay mo, kamit piho, makiapa ka kadi ibam, tauray luta, yung hidiyat kung papatayan nyo. Yeah. Those will be lost. All material things that we gain here on earth will all be lost. Ante yung may tugot na kunada, ijay impyerno, suti pa pa na. Even if you go to heaven, hamo may tugot yung properties mo. But the things ay mapod and intudon Apo Diyos ang aton tao by loving one another, unudon to hindi ibagbagan, those will not be wasted. Hinaya kahit nangasawin dita. Yeah? Unless the Lord builds a house. So even if your house is very big, may panghod, may serve na idea. Uri lang kita lang ay agong mo, o nga di panghod mo, ititatao, then, yun ang mahalaga. It will not be wasted. So, those who make up the family, who will make up the family, the father, the mother, the children. Those who make up the family must recognize that they form a family unit and has a definite responsibility and relationship to each other. Ay mga ipaptok o mga po di pamilya ket masapol nga inirada nga waday responsibility da ken relationship da innoka idida. Okay? Because if you do not know that, if you cannot recognize what the responsibility or relationship mo, adi mapod. Yeah. If you do not know your responsibility or your role, mong ka-problema. Okay? Now, what I tulu and pinuduan i-emphasize kaya tako kanom-nomon tao. 3 important areas to fully understand God's plan for our lives. Tulo lang, 2. First, what is our role in life? Ngay munu tao or tamo tao. So ba diyan, Pastor? Ay munu, what is your role? What is the role of the father? What is the role of the mother? What is the role of the children, of the child in life? Masapol hindi nomnomon to understand God's plan for our life. And then inilaon to pa yung andiyan responsibilities to. Iti kahit nga sa winter responsibility. Hindi atom, hindi rumbeng atom nga naka-base from your role. Okay? Example, no ket ohaan ama. Your role is ama. Yeah. And your responsibility as ama is to lead your family. Okay? Example to, nukas pagren dito ay poste, high role na ket poste. High responsibility na is to hold the roof. Tapno adi bumagsak. Ayan. May happy to bumagsak. Adi maga. Tapno adi masaktan na din. Dita ko ano hato babana. So that is the responsibility. Yeah? Okay? And the third is our relationship. So, ngay relationship mo, ibakit mo. Ngay relation mo, ilakay mo. Pero ngay relationship mo, hindi yan babalik. So, these are the three things that we should always look upon. Kasi, panada, ito ang role, ibaga nga i-determine na responsibility. Yeah. Nung nilang hindi ang role mo, ibaga na hindi yan responsibility. Ket no, inat mo hindi yan responsibility, o ipatigo na hindi yan relationship mo, ihin no ha. To each other. Yeah? Relationship to each other which grows out of both the role and responsibility. Okay? So, dita kong arod what is our role as husband or father. Masapong nila unto. Pero geto nila, baka hay pinhod mo aton ket the role ni bakit mo, mun awit ayo. Yeah. If you do not know your role. For example, pinhod mo an ati aganak. Can you do that? Hindi mo pinhod mo, hindi lang, papilit mo. Siyempre, aga pa kayo ni bakit mo. Apay mabalin. So, munawit ayo. Yeah? So, roles determines responsibilities and responsibilities determine relationships. Now, what ay formula apo Diyos para iti family? Okay? Kita lang di iba ito. Ayaw mahunan ni Tigon to, okay, what should be the role of the wife in marriage? Ngay role di binabae. Iti marriage. Ephesians 25:23. Mun submit ayo ti leadership of your husband. Ephesians 5:23 or 22, irugito ti 23, pala nakit. Wife, submit to your husband, for the husband is the head of the wife. So, he apo Diyos din ang ibang data. Yeah. So, do you object that you ang binabae? Wada ka nun ti seminars, iti laka mo, the Marion, ibas pa seminar na diya, gender and gender equality. Ha? Mumpad dong ano yung babae ka lalaki. Kung kaya ni Mr., kaya ni Mrs. Pero, bukan hindi naman to. Naman to, hindi inbagan apo Diyos. Submit to the leadership of your husband that you are binabae. Hanape, no, di mo submit, kay papilit yung yun, mga idaulo, awit ayun mong imbalik. Sigurado diyan. So you have, that's the plan of God. Waday ohalang ti mga pangulo. And then, second, ay bilang ang two roles of the wife only. You have to respect your husband. Respetuhin to yung husband to. Ephesians 5:33. So, no kananan respeto mi husband mo, you give reverence, you regard him, you honor him, you prefer him. No hito aton to kas nga nga hay panigot hilakay ket talagang haya nakangat nga to. Tahiya tigtigom. No wada ibagana, ya dong wrong. Yeah. You honor him, you prefer him. But that is what God is telling us. Respect. Yeah? Kas ano nga, question niya siguro, kas ano nga respetero kay lakay ko, no, anayon mit ang mabutaw. Anayon pa ang, di pa'y, ang pengang bigos. So nga nabangsit isang una. So, even if that is the case, respetuhin to ulat ta. Because he is the head of the family. Actually, ito ay nakarigat nga aton. Nakarigat nga aton nila eh. But if you believe in God, you should be doing that. Because ay pinhod hapo Diyos is not what is the effect on your husband, but what you will do in obedience kay Apo Diyos. Diba? Diba? Sin, the basol, is pinangkontram di baga ni Apo Diyos. Disobedience. So if you do not obey this, then we are committing sin. Ada example tau. No, wala ni lakay mo. Hindi kawad ang Alfonso Lista. Ya, dapat ditanong niya nga gahiram or ket ati ti treasurer, ang babae ti treasurer. No, ibagang lakay mo nga umeta ta itanong tayo tuwin ginatang taan seeds. Ngayon, adwani ang summer. So, ang babae, hindi lang numunta nung mga summer may dudan, hanggang tubo. Ngayon, hindi niya nga ibagan lakay mo. Ano doon ba? Weno adi. Ano Antonio? Adi yun mo doon? Ngapit, adi yun. Masayang hindi yan. Hindi yan gastos yan.
Damit water pump?
Ngayon, no, i-base to hapit ako Diyos. Unodon ba or adi? Unodon lang, hindi yan. Yeah. Because he is the head. Kamay-bitin pa nga ng malugi yan yung unodon. Because that is what God wants you to do. Submit to your husband. Tahi husband to, kaya na yung sumbat to kina Apo Diyos mo niya ti numalugi. So nang to diyan. But what is important there is kay aton di binabae. Yeah. Because many times, oftentimes namin, dayon binabae ket mas nalalaing kayong ang nangiti lalaki. But do not use your talent to decide ahead than your husband. So ako na nga, bukon ano, idiyan mang under ti asawa ng pagkaputa na nangiwat. Kasi pre, nangiwat ti babae. But an underen ti babae di lalaki, asawa na, if he goes ahead in deciding any decision that the husband should decide. Noon unahan nyo ti asawa yung decide, then underen nyo ti asawa yung. Diba? Ang kuna yung objection man din, nagbayag-meg, ano mo decide? Nagbayag, nabanglis to din na po. But that is what God is telling us. You have to submit. You have to wait for Him to make the decision. Otherwise, if you go ahead, then amuti, yumuti, munbalin ang pangulo. And you will, when you will get used to it, hindi ato. And that you are violating the abagbaga ni Apo Diyos. Bukon mo, lakay mo iti leader, no di kate, siya kamit ten. Okay? Nawatan niyo diyan. So, narigat diyan. Uno doon. Ngayon itudok to hindi ni Hay atonto. Okay, so let's go now to the husband.